Rainbow News Weekly.
Hello everyone, it's me Diksha Negi.
And it's me Deepak.
Welcome to the second broadcast of year 2021. As we all know that year 2020 was not good for everyone. Thereafter, we organized dance competition with lot of joy and happiness at the last day of year 2020 to spread the positivity around us.
Many students of Rainbow Family participated in this dance competition. They represented their culture through their dance performance. After their wonderful dance, they got prizes for their talent. And the students who got prizes are at 5th place, class 9 for group dance, at 4th place, Janvi and Akansa for their Jonsari dance, at 3rd place, Kanchan for her stunning performance, at 2nd place, Tamanna and Diksha for their Nepali dance, at 1st place, Isant Adhikari for his robotic dance performance.
New Year gave a new chance to everyone. A student of class 10 and 12 took pledge for innovation of the year to motivate every student to think something positive and start something new. The pledge were taken by some student of our school.
Hey, it's me Ayushi from class 10, and for this year I have taken a pledge that I will never lie to my family, friends and especially to my parents.
Hello everyone, it's me Namrata, and this year I will take initiative with my family and friends to ban plastic.
Hello everyone, it's me Kanchan, and this year I will take initiative with my family and friends to plant more and more trees.
Hello everyone, it's me Nikhil Rawat, and for this new year I have taken a pledge that I will be more concentrating and more consistent towards my study and will be more ambitious towards my goal.
Moving to second activity, it was group discussion between 9th and 10th class on the topic Dam, the pillar of modern words. All students shared their opinion on this topic.
Now let's move to Siddhi and Sumi. They will tell us about group discussion in brief.
Hello everyone, it's me Siddhi.
And it's me Sumit. As Deepak and Diksha told us about the discussion on dams, the pillar of modern world, the students gave different variety of thoughts on the topic.
And the students who performed well were Khushi and Prashant, who got 3rd place, Anurag and Vanchika, who got 2nd place, Nikhil and Annapurna, who got 1st place.
This discussion motivated every student to think with more perspective.
Now let's hear the conclusion of winners after the discussion.
Hello everyone, it's me Annapurna and I am from class 10. We have discussed about dams, the pillar of modern world. तो मॉडर्नाइजेशन जो है वो एक अच्छी चीज़ है, लेकिन किसी को नुकसान करके मॉडर्नाइजेशन एक अच्छी चीज़ नहीं है. तो जैसे हम डैम्स बनाते हैं तो डैम्स किस चीज़ के लिए काम आता है? इरिगेशन हो गया और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करने के लिए. लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि वो चीज़ें कहीं किसी और तरीके से भी की जा सकती है. जैसे विंड मिल्स लगा दिए गए और सोलर पैनल्स लगा दिए गए, इनसे तो कोई नुकसान नहीं होता ना हमारी पृथ्वी को. तो हमें ये समझना चाहिए कि हमारी अर्थ जो है वो सबके लिए है, सिर्फ हमारे लिए नहीं है. तो हम क्या करते हैं, डैम्स बनाते हैं. ठीक है, डैम से क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट तो होती है, लेकिन जो एक्वेटिक लाइफ है वो उसे बहुत हार्म करती है. और साथ के साथ अगर कभी डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया है, अगर कभी जो डैम है वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया तो वो कई सारे लोगों को और बहुत सी चीज़ों को नुकसान भी पहुंचा सकता है. तो मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि मॉडर्नाइजेशन एक सही में एक अच्छी चीज़ है. बनाओ डैम्स बनाओ, लेकिन वहाँ बनाओ जहाँ पे ज़रूरत है. कंपटीशन मत रखो इस चीज़ का. अब जैसे चाइना ने बहुत सारे डैम बना दिए तो इंडिया भी उस कंपटीशन में ले जाएगी, तो ये चीज़ अच्छी नहीं है. तो बस मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी, मॉडर्नाइजेशन इज़ अ गुड थिंग बट नॉट लाइक अ कंपटीशन. थैंक यू.
Myself Nikhil Rawat, and as we all know that we discussed on the topic dams, the pillar of modern world. Actually somewhere I agree to the topic that dams are actually the pillar of modern world as they support to our economy and energy production. But I think that dams must be built, but keeping in mind that the harm it gives to the nature and the community. It must not harm to our community and nature as it is gifted by God to us. So I think that everyone will mean the topic, and yes, this was my conclusion. Thank you.
Hello everyone,
and I want to tell about our group discussion on the topic dams, the pillar of modern world. Dams provide us varieties of advantages, but it is also built with so many disadvantages. So my opinion on this topic is dams should be built, but there should be no harm to the nature. For example, when the construction start of the dam, the constructor used to give profit to humans, but they don't give profit to plants. If they cut 100 trees in the constructed area, so they should grow 1,000 trees in another area. Thank you.
You know that we all need to be fit, and to be fit, we all need to eat healthy food.
Yes, Sumit, we have seen Aarti ma'am's struggle and hard work to become fit and healthy.
Now let's move to Aarti ma'am for some tips of food for healthy life.
आप पूर्वजों से सीख सकते हैं कि वो किस प्रकार का फूड खाते थे, वो हमारे लिए हेल्दी फूड है। आज तो हम प्रोडक्ट फूड पर निर्भर हैं, पर हेल्दी फूड जीवित फूड को कहते हैं, लिविंग फूड। लिविंग फूड जो सीधा खेतों से आता है। अब समझिए, आपको छोटा सा एग्जांपल देती हूँ कि हमारे एक हाथ में दाल का दाना है या गेहूं का दाना है या किसी फल का बीज है, और एक हाथ में मैगी का पैकेट है। दो मैंने मिट्टी में डाले, क्या मैगी उग जाएगी? आपको सबको पता है कि मैगी, बिस्किट, चॉकलेट में अगर मिट्टी में डालूं तो उसका कोई प्लांट नहीं बनेगा। पर अगर मैं बीज कोई ज़मीन में डालूं तो वो पौधे के रूप में नया जन्म लेगा। ये है लिविंग फूड जो हमें खाना चाहिए।
For the full video, follow the link provided below in the description box.
This was all from this week. Let's meet next week.